We're about to go pie some people in the face, all for a good cause. We're giving a bunch of money to St. Jude. Let's go. Thank you all for coming out, for the contribution, for your partnership. We started this business 10 years ago, just a couple people, and it's really fun to see the growth we've had. And we pick one charity every year so that we can have more of an impact versus trickling our dollars out across many. So this year, St. Jude, really focused on saving lives and curing cancer with a focus on children.
I will tell you that when that day comes that we cure childhood cancer, you will look back and know that you had a part in that. So truly, my deepest gratitude on behalf of our patients, our physician scientists, the parents that are there that will receive no bill because of what you're doing here today. So have fun, please, please, please feel good about your gifts because they are going to do exactly what we say we're going to do, and that's find cures and save lives. Thank you.
Have some fun. We are going to pie some people in the face later, which is part of the $32,500. So if you get pied in the face, that just means a lot of people put money on you or at your expense.